Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Sunday reset routine. Now, this doesn't happen every Sunday, but whenever I can, really just take some time for myself, this is pretty much the routine that I like to follow. And I start off by just, drinking some coffee. Every day is a treat if you get some Starbucks. So I'm just checking out what I need to do. But one of the things that makes me feel good is cleaning my bathroom. I don't know why. I think it's because I'm always in my bathroom. There's always like hair around my bathroom, makeup around my bathroom, just a bunch of different things. And so cleaning my bathroom really makes me feel productive. So I am taking my time today cleaning and wiping down all the high touch points and just, really getting a nice deep clean in the bathroom, okay? And if you didn't know, me and Jordan don't share bathrooms, which is amazing, but that means I have to always clean the bathroom. So I feel like I'm always cleaning the bathroom, but today I needed to really, do a nice deeper clean. So anything that you like to do that makes you feel accomplished is something that I would say to incorporate into your Sunday reset routine, because obviously you feel accomplished, but you're doing things that you need or should be doing. And one of those things is taking a bath. Like, I feel like we always want to take a bath. It always sounds great to take a bath and just soak and just relax, but it's a time consuming task. Like, no one really just has, 45 an hour, time to do that. So when I do it, I try to make the most of it. And here I'm actually setting up to watch a few YouTube videos, because this is going to be my time to really just not feel guilty about spending time watching videos. Now, anytime I'm watching videos, I always think I should be editing or filming my own videos, but this is the time. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pour some Dr. Teals bubble bath into my bath. This one is the elderberry scent. I honestly have never tasted elderberries, don't know what it smells like, none of that, but I know it has some really good beneficial things for your health. So I'm like, okay, well, I'll suck up the nutrients in my bath. So I am running me a nice hot bath with that. Here, I'm pouring me a glass of wine, because who doesn't feel luxurious and feels just relaxed when they have a glass of wine? So I would say if you're old enough, make sure you have a really nice bottle of wine with your bath and light those candles, sis. I be holding on to these candles thinking if there's a power outage, we're gonna need to light these candles. Girl, the power has not went out. So I'm just setting the ambiance and lighting these all across the bathroom just to help, bring the vibes. And I got this really cute candle from Bath and Body Works that it actually now lives in my bathroom after this video, because it smelled so good. And I was like, okay, this is my bathroom scent. This is for me. No one else can touch this. And just lighting candles and turning off the lights and just relaxing, it just takes it to a whole nother level. Turn the lights off when you take a bath next time, sis. I promise you're gonna feel just at a spa or something. But I'm setting my wine so that way it is not too far for me to reach. And I'm also setting my water bottle next to me, because you guys, I love this water bottle. It keeps your water super, super cold. And in between drinks, I need to drink some water, because alcohol is besties with water. If you don't know that, you should know that. But here, I'm just gonna soak and watch a few videos and just really take some me time to boil in this hot bath. But I also like to take Sundays to really figure out what I'm gonna do with my hair. So normally I have meetings at the earlier half of the week, and I don't be wanting to get up early to do my hair. I don't want to do my hair at all, honestly. So what I like to do is just kind of find a protective style that will last me at least 2 to 3 days out the week until I, can figure out what I'm gonna do next. And so here I'm taking out a protective style, combing my hair, giving it a little love in TLC, and then just putting it right back into a protective style. So if you like to wash your hair on Sundays, or if you like to oil your scalp on Sundays, this is the time to add that into your routine, because we all know that is a time-consuming task, but if you make it a part of the process, then you feel it's a luxury, it's a pampering experience. All right, and one of the biggest things, and I would say the biggest thing in regards to self-care, is skincare, girl. Skincare is probably one of the most relaxing but beneficial things that you can do for yourself, simply because you're taking care of yourself in a way that you will actually see the results. And I'm just layering on all of my facial products, my moisturizers. I actually did decide to layer on a few serums today. Normally I just grab one serum, but today I was like, let me add a little bit more. Let me add in, a few extra steps. And especially because BoxyCharm has been sending me nothing but skincare, a few makeup products, but mostly skincare. I want to put all of it to the test. Like, I want to try it all out before I decide that I don't like it or before I decide to give it away. So I am absolutely loving some of these products that they sent to me. But for the products that don't work out, or for the products I know won't work out, I'm giving those away to you guys in my giveaway. If you haven't seen my hip top video already, check that out. But I am going to be doing a massive giveaway, picking 6 winners. So you can all go to l.co.com and enter your email, which is your entryway into the giveaway. So girl, let's get you some free makeup, okay? Occasionally when I feel like it or when I remember, I'll put some eye cream on. But I honestly, I'm not, super holy grail on eye cream, but I am on those elbows, and that is why I'm putting lotion on my elbows, whatever's left. And we're drinking more water because we need to hydrate. I had like maybe 3 more glasses of wine after this, so that's why I'm really drinking water. But now I'm watching one of Bird's videos. You guys know my friend Bird Latrice. I always tell you guys to go check her out. I'm watching some of her videos and commenting on them. Guys, it does not cost you anything to comment on someone's video, and it means a lot to us who create the content. So I'm just sitting here, yelling at the TV a little bit as well, because we are watching Naked and Afraid, which is like one of my favorite shows, and they be wilding on the show. So sometimes I have to give them my commentary, but I went ahead to make some comments on Bird's video, playing with the Caesar-Wees. I do have to incorporate Caesar-Wees time in my self-care routine. Although, it's not for me, it is kind of for me, because just getting his little puppy love is always the best. And he could play fetch forever, so I'll give him like some dedicated time to play fetch. But I am actually working right now. I am working on these videos that I'm actually cranking out for you guys right now. This one that I'm editing in this video is the vlog, the monthly vlog that went up in, May? Yeah, I think it might have been May. It could have been June. No, it's definitely in May. But if you guys haven't seen that vlog, I will link that here on the side as well, so you can check that out. But this is like the time either I'm editing a video or I'm cooking dinner. However, it was actually Jordan's turn to cook dinner today, and there he is making our dinner and saying hey to the vlog. But now I am finally done working and finally done doing everything. So I'm closing my laptop, and one of the best ways for me to end my day is eating pie, and specifically the chocolate cream pie from Nations. Like, girl, if you haven't had this pie, you need to try this pie. If you don't have a Nations, get to a Nations and try this pie. Like, this is the best pie, only if you like chocolate stuff, but it's not even too chocolatey. Like, try it out. But this for me is a major treat, and this is a perfect way to end my Sunday. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It is like, again, not an every Sunday occurrence, but whenever you can make time for yourself, do that, because you deserve it. And sometimes that will really start you refreshed for the week ahead. If you guys like this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you are not. Y'all know I post Tuesdays and Fridays, girl, but if you can't remember that, just hit the bell, and make sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. All of those will be linked down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on Friday, where we are giving our winners their boxes, and I'll see you soon. Peace.